Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will cover important advanced Python concept that every serious Python developer must know. We will talk about pip and PyPI, module packages, name main, error handling, pylint, unit testing, decorator, generator, etc. Let's start. PyPI stands for Python Package Index. It is the official repository where Python libraries are published. Pip is the tool we use to install them. Pip install download packages from PyPI and install them locally. Let's see a demo in VS Code. Let's see the version of pip using pip version. So that is we see that is pip 12.5.2. So let's see that is pip that install numpy. So it will install the packages called numpy. So as I have already installed in it, so it will show requirement already satisfied. But if I say that let's say request this one, let's see if that is here or not. So we'll find that yeah, that is also there. So next let's see that how to show the details of any packages which are installed here. So pip show that is numpy, it will be the long detailed pages. So you will see that nothing else by what that is numpy here. Let's see that, sorry. So let's see numpy version that is 2.2.6 summary fundamental packages for package for array computing in Python. So let's see pip list. You will see that is how many packages I have installed here and what are the packages here. So what are the packages, you will see that is Altier, annotated, annoy. So we have many packages already installed here. So we can have an alternative way where we can just create a file that is requirement.txt and let's say that is torch and let's say that is numpy. So what we will do, that is we install the same thing but using a requirement.txt file, right? By multiple packages we can install it by pip install minus a requirement.txt. You will see that is already satisfied as it is already done. So that's all. Module is a Python file. Package is a folder containing multiple modules, and packages help organize large project. Let's see a demo in VS Code. Let's create a module called math module. So what it will do, it has a function that is adding a and b and it will return that a plus b. So let's create a main.py where I will call this module. So from math module import math, import add, and what it will do, it will just return, it will just print those well, that is math 2,3. So let's run this. So let's see if it is working or not. So python main.py. So yeah, it is 5. Python assign a special variable underscore name underscore to every file. Let's see a demo in VS. Let's create a function called greet. What it will do, it will just print hello. So I will just implement this one. If name underscore name underscore equal to main, Great. So let's run this. You will see that it will only run directly, not by assigning it as a module, because I say if name underscore equal to main, so it will again say that is hello. Error crashes program. Exception, let us handle error gracefully. Let's see a classic demo in VS Code. Let's see a classic error handling case example. So try that, let's say that is x that equal to integer of, let's say, input of enter an integer number. Next, print 10 by x, and next accept zero division error, and next print divided by 0 is not possible. Next accept value error, print that invalid input. Next else that print execution successful. Next, finally, print that is done. So let's see, the demo is very simple, right? Let's go to the terminal and let's run this. So let's say that is error handling, integer number, let's say 10. It's good, so that is 1. Execution successful, else part, so it does not go to exception, and finally means for everyone, so it is execution complete successful. So next it's 1, next execution successful and done. If I say, let's say that is integer number 0.15, 0.2, that is invalid input, right? So that is you will get an invalid input, and that is done finally, because that always appear. And next, if I do, let's say that is 0, so you will see that is divided by 0 is not possible, and that is done. That's all. Pylint check code quality and coding standard. Pylint help catch mistake and improve readability. Let's see a demo in VS Code. Let's install the Pylint using pip install Pylint. I think Pylint is already installed in my system. It will say requirement already installed, right? So next, let's see that let's clear the screen, and let's say that is python -m, next pylint, next error handling .py. So it will share that is 7.78 rating out of 10. So I will try to improve it. Let's say that if I can improve something, so let's say that pylint has, sorry, so let's say that I will say that it help in error handling. So let's see that I don't know what will be the rate right now. It will be improving, so 8.89, so it has improved. Testing ensure your code works as expected. Let's see a unit test demo in VS Code. So first let's import that unit test, and next we have math module. So from math module I will import that is add, and we will test it using a unit test. So we will create a class that is nothing else but a test, that is a child, and it is unit test dot test case is the parent, and we will create a method that is nothing else by test add, and let's say that is self, and self we have self dot assert equal, and that equal, let's say add 2 comma 3 comma let's say 5, and we will just test it. How? Because we can say if name equal to main, we will say that is unit test dot main, this one. So let's run this in a terminal. Let's say that is Python unit test math module, this one, Python unit test math module, this one. Yeah, so one test, run one test in 0 second, and that is okay, right? If I say instead of 5 I can say that's 4, I know it will give some error. So let's see that what is the error, and is it fail? Yeah, so it's fail, and failures that equal to 1, and assert error that 5 not equal to 4. You see that, that's why unit test that is fail, that is test add, so F. So that's all. Decorator modify a function without changing its code. Let's see a demo in VS Code. So we will create a decorator, custom decorator. So let's see how. First let's define a function by, let's say, my decorator, that is packet function func. So it will, let's say, that is definition, another wrapper inside function. So that will do what? That is print before the function call, and let's say that is, I will also copy this one. Let's say that is function, let's say that is print after the function call. Let's say return, it will return the wrapper, and let's say I will use the decorator, that is my decorator, and let's say that we should say hello. That is nothing else but print hello. So I will call it by using what, say hello. So you will see what is the result. I will go to terminal. I will use decorator.py before the function call, hello after the function call. Generator produce values one at a time using end. They are memory efficient. Unlike list, they don't store values in memory. Let's see a demo in VS Code. Let's create a function countup. As a parameter n. So let's say that what it will do, that is for I in range n, will yield the I. So as it is a generator, right, how to I deal with this thing? Let's say for I in counter 5, let's say that is spring that I. So let's go to the terminal, let's run it, Python generator.py. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a powerful set of Python concept. If you understand this topic, you are already moving toward professional Python development. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you soon in the next lesson.